Gintago niya ang loaf of bread, covered it with a blanket. Ging-approach lang iyang husband kasi Ludwig, okay, no problem, okay? Pag-open ni Ludwig or Ludwig sa iyang blanket, those bread na gintago niya turned into very good. And he cared for the leper. What is the story of this one? Out of her fear, once again, that she is helping the poor. So naglakat ang iyang husband sa castle. All of a sudden, i-carry niya ang leper with her, gibutang niya sa bed. Kagi-cover niya ang isang blanket para hindi makita si iyang husband. Nakulbaan siya. Nag-abot naman liwat si Ludwig. Gingkuha naman liwat ang blanket. And to her surprise, ang leper was converted into an image of a crucified Christ. Okay? These were her two miracles. A bread suddenly turned into roses, and a leper na pagkuha sa blanket turned into an image of a crucified Christ. All of these things were unexpected, sudden occurrences. After her death, she also had miracles. Okay? True to all patron saints of nurses like Joan of God, the patron saint of Saint Agatha, who is also a patron saint of nurses, miracles of healing became